Ever feel like you're stuck in a phone labyrinth? We've all been there. You need to get in touch with your bank, but the thought of navigating an automated system and endless hold times makes you want to tear your hair out. Especially when you just have a quick question. Well, if Capital One is your bank, fear not. There are actually several ways to get in touch with them, skip the phone frustration, and get the help you need. So, ditch the stress and buckle up, because today we're uncovering the secrets to contacting Capital One like a pro. First things first, consider the urgency of your situation. Do you need immediate attention, or is your question something that can wait? Knowing this will help you choose the most efficient method. For those burning issues, Capital One actually offers 24/7 support through their handy virtual assistant, Eno. Eno is like your personal banking concierge, available anytime, anywhere through the Capital One mobile app or even by text message. Now, using Eno is super easy. If you're on the app, just look for the chat icon and Eno will be there to greet you. Texting Eno is even simpler. Just send a text message with your question to 1-888-464-0727 and Eno will text you back with a response. Of course, there might be some limitations to what Eno can handle over text, but for straightforward questions or basic requests, it's a fantastic option. Now, maybe you prefer a more traditional approach, or your situation requires a more personal touch. In that case, Capital One's customer service representatives are always happy to take your call. Their number is 1-888-464-0727, and they're available Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Time, and on Saturdays from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. Here's a quick tip. If you know you'll be calling during peak hours, consider using the Capital One website to check their service status. This can help you avoid any unexpected wait times. But wait, there's more. For our tech-savvy friends out there, Capital One also offers secure messaging directly through your online banking account. Simply log into your account, navigate to the help section, and you'll find the option to send a message. This is a great choice for situations where you need to provide more detailed information or documentation. Now, whichever method you choose, remember to have your account information handy when you reach out. This will help the representative assist you as quickly and efficiently as possible. So, there you have it. No more phone labyrinths or hold music marathons. With Capital One's diverse contact options, getting the help you need is easier than ever. Whether you're a mobile app whiz or prefer a more traditional approach, Capital One has you covered. So next time you have a question or need some assistance, remember Eno, the customer service line, or secure messaging through your online account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed and happy banking.